of a hand sanitizer. So basically guys, half of these have a hand sanitizer in them and half of them have glue in them. So this one could have glue, could have hand sanitizer, this one could have hand sanitizer or glue. We don't know, but I
do know something.
What?
What do we know, Ameerah?
What?
I love hand sanitizer.
Oh, okay, all right. And also my mom loves hand sanitizer, so she's gonna like this a lot. Anyways, so basically we pick a random one and it could be hand sanitizer, it could be glue, but basically the goal of the game is to try and get the most glue, so yeah. And yeah, let's get straight on into the video. What, yo? Alrighty guys, so let's get started. Who wants to go first? We'll do rock, paper, scissors. You ready, Mom? One. That's not how rock, paper, scissors goes. All right, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you. All right, I'll go first, I guess. Okay,
fine.
So I choose this one. What is it? Glue or hand sanitizer? Oh, I think it's hand sanitizer. Oh, it smells so good. Mom, calm down. Ooh, it looks so cool, guys. It's like so clear, like wiggly.
I think I need some.
Okay, Mom. All right, your turn.
I really hope I get hand sanitizer. I mean hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. What is it?
Okay.
Oh, you got glue.
Oh, should I be happy?
Yes.
I don't know about that. I love hand sanitizer.
Already my turn. Okay, let me see. I want to choose this one. Okay, I wonder what it is. It kind of looks like glue. Yay, I got glue! Woo, yes. All right, your turn, Mom.
I don't know. What is this?
Glue. Woohoo! You got glue again. Dang. All right, my turn. I want to get glue. Let's do this one. Let's see. Is it glue?
Like hand sanitizer again.
Yeah, I got glue. Yeah.
Wow, cool.
All right, I'm winning so far, technically. What? So I have 2 bottles of glue.
I have 2 bottles of glue too.
Yeah, but no, wait. So I guess we're tying.
My turn. I am going to close. I think we should close our eyes every time.
What is it? Oh, is it
I think it's hand sanitizer.
It's hand sanitizer! Ha, we're tied still. Never mind.
What is hand sanitizer to this one?
I don't know. I think it couldn't. I did a video on it and I kind of just like made it like glossy kind of. It fogged it up though. All right, my turn. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, I got hand sanitizer again.
My turn.
Your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is hand sanitizer again. Yeah?
Ah,
yeah.
She got hand sanitizer. Ha! My turn. Okay, I gotta get a really good one this time. I choose this one right here. What is this? Oh, it's hand sanitizer. All right, guys. Whose turn is it? Mine or yours? Yeah, your turn. Okay, go.
2, 3, 4. Should I stop at 5? 5.
No, 6.
6. No, 6.
Dang.
What? It's glue?
You got glue. Okay. All right, my turn. I think this one. Let's see. I got glue. All right, guys, we have no more space in our bowl, so we're gonna go ahead and switch to these buckets. All right, guys, let's dump these in here. Whoa. Dang, it's already getting foggy, guys.
Mine's so foggy. Look at this.
Who's winning so far? I don't even remember. Alrighty, okay, let's go. Whose turn is it?
I only have 5.
Yeah, it's your turn. All right, go.
How many should I count to? 3? 1.
Yes.
2, 3. Did I choose the same one?
You like what? 1, 2, 3.
Leave me
What'd you
alone.
get? Oh, you got glue.
Yoo-hoo.
Okay, my turn. Which one should I choose? I say this one. I got hand sanitizer again. All right, your turn, Mom.
I'll count to 50 without the 0.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's no more. 5.
Ha! You got hand sanitizer.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Look at it.
Let me see. Yep. That's hand sanitizer.
All right, my turn. Okay, which did we get? I think this one. Ha ha! I got hand sanitizer again. Okay, I think Mom's winning.
I'm gonna count to 2 since there's 3 left.
Wow.
Or should I count 2?
That doesn't make any sense. It'd be like
okay, I'll count to 10.
7.
10.
7.
10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This has to be glue. No.
Hi, you got hand sanitizer. Yay. All right, let's do this. Okay, Mom, can you shuffle them so I don't know since there's only 2?
All right.
Okay, so we got 1 hand sanitizer, and then this one that's an empty bottle. Where's the other one, Mom?
What other one? All right. Start again.
I always gotta make sure with you.
You're gonna count? Are you gonna count?
Yeah, I'll count to 7.
All right, there you go.
These are wrong, Mom. If these are weird or something, I don't know. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh wait, why
did you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ta-da! I got glue! Yeah! I get glue.
Is it my turn now?
Yeah.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I get this one.
Hi, it's hand sanitizer.
I mean, I do love hand sanitizer, but not this much anymore.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and start mixing this up. I wonder what it's gonna turn into, because this, like, I don't know if I've ever done this, like, put a bunch of hand sanitizer and glue, you know? All right, you guys, let's go ahead and color our slimes now. Okay, I picked yellow.
I don't want red.
That's pink.
Oh, I picked.
Okay, we'll put some glitter.
I was really off on the colors, huh?
Yeah.
I said that one was orange, and I said this one was red.
It's because they're very strong, saturated. I'm gonna put all the glitters. I just put all of them, and it looks cool. It looks like lemonade or something. What kind of lemonade is sparkling? I don't know, but this lemonade is sparkling.
Unicorn lemonade.
Ooh, yours looks so pretty. All right, guys, I think it's now time to activate. All right, let's activate this. Okay, I'm putting activator. This feels so weird, guys. It's like jelly or something.
I think it needs more activator.
This has such a weird texture, guys. Is this activating?
I think so. Look.
Because for me, it's not really activating.
It's weird.
It's so weird.
Okay, the smell is so strong.
Yeah. What did we do? This is barely activating.
My eyes are burning.
It's burning. This feels like lemon jelly or something. It feels like jelly. It's so weird. Okay, it's finally starting to activate.
This is strawberry lemonade.
Jelly. Strawberry lemonade jelly.
This is cool.
Whoa, this is so weird. Okay, this is crazy. Like, the texture feels like I put instant snow in it or something.
This is snow, so maybe that's why.
Oh my god, Mom. Okay, almost done. This smells so much, guys.
Definitely not like lemon. This is such a weird texture. Look at that. Okay, this is like so strong.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Look at it. Look at the color. It's so pretty. That color is so pretty.
Okay, I think I'm almost done. Are you almost done, Mom?
I think so. Pretty cool.
This feels so weird.
I like it. Dumping it, Ameerah. I think it's easier.
My hands are cramping.
Okay, this is cool. Look at that. Who has more hand sanitizer in it?
I have no idea.
I wonder.
I feel like I have more hand sanitizer.
Look at this. Will it get clear again later or not?
I don't know, maybe. Oh, I'm so tired.
Very funny, Ameerah.
That's what you get for throwing slime on me.
I never did that. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Well.
When are you getting me back, Ameerah? No, not now.
Well, no wonder yours is not sticky, Mom. You overactivated it. Do you see this? What the heck? What? Yes. I think mine is almost all done. Maybe yours has more hand sanitizer than mine.
I did put a lot of it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, I am all done making my slime. Now it's time for ASMR. I go first. Yes.
I call second.
Okay, well, I call third.
I call first then.
No, I'm
yes,
first.
No, you call third.
I'm first, you're second, and then I'm third again.
I'm fourth.
Okay, alright guys, here is my slime. It's actually really soft. It's like jiggly, but it's very soft. It's very smooth and like, it's kind of like creamy in a way. And yeah, it feels very good. I actually like it a lot.
My turn.
No, I'm not done yet.
Oh, you talk so much, Ameerah. I'm just kidding.
Ta-da! Okay, Okay, I'm trying to do some bubbles out of this, but it's kind of like thin. Ta-da! Look at my bubble! Yes! Mom! Alright, Mom, you can show yours now.
Alright guys, well mine seems nicer than Ameerah's, softer than Ameerah's, jiggly than Ameerah's. I'm just kidding, guys.
And harder than yours.
Yeah, it seems a lot harder than Ameerah's and kind of breakable, but I still think it's nice because look, if you pull it, it's still stretchy. It's not bad, Ameerah, look at it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a bubble.
It
Whoops.
is good.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do ASMR. Here I go.
Mom, you know you're actually doing good ASMR.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Well, I like the sound effects, so I'm doing ASMR, guys.
Ooh, look at this. Because I mixed them.
This is cool.
I know,
I like
right?
this color.
You should mix a little bit. Watch.
Yes.
So you got this part, not that. These.
How did you mix them? Ooh, look at how pretty.
Oh my gosh, look at how
Oh,
pretty.
you have to come and see this one.
Oh my gosh.
I love that one.
It's so pretty, guys. Look at how pretty it is.
I love that one.
And it turns into like a really pretty peach color, guys. Ta-da!
I like the slime.
Oh my gosh, look at how it turned into. It's just like a peach color and it's so
And then all
pretty.
the sparkles.
Okay, I want to try and make another bubble. I think the slime's getting smoother because I'm kneading it more. Oh, did you see that bubble?
Let me see. I'm gonna try. Whoops. Ameerah, how do you do them?
Who can make the bigger bubble, Mom?
Not me.
Look at my bubble.
Okay, I'm gonna try Ameerah. Ameerah, I'm gonna try.
Okay, try.
Okay, here I go. Watch me, watch me.
Okay. You tried.
It's the slime.
Okay. Ta-da! Okay, here. Let me try.
with mine.
Yeah, I'll try. Am I gonna do it? Am I gonna do it? Oh! I almost got it.
One more time, one more time.
Okay, let's try this.
I made a bubble! I made a bubble! I made a bubble!
Made a bubble! Kinda, you know?
Okay, your slime is definitely nicer than mine. It's softer. You can, I was able to make a bubble, like this tiny.
I did it! I made a bubble! Woo! Is it gonna pop?
It's like weird, it's thicker.
Yeah.
It's like it's gonna stay there.
Oh my gosh, guys, look
I'm
at my
gonna try
bubble.
again.
Oh, it popped. Yeah.
You know what? Your bubbles are okay to pop because you make millions of bubbles.
I guess, yeah.
Mine are not okay to pop.
I'm gonna try this one again.
Woohoo! Look, it's making bubbles
Okay,
by
I'll go
itself.
to my slime now.
Why?
Because
it's a volcano.
Because you put air over it. Look it.
It's so thick.
Ooh, look at this bubble.
You know what? You know what? You know what?
What?
I am gonna practice making bubbles from now on.
Should.
Next video, you guys will see a huge bubble. I hope.
Oh my gosh,
Look at all the
guys.
sparkles. Oh, it's going down over here.
Oh no, it's everywhere. That was amazing. Okay, I should do some ASMR now because I have not done any ASMR. I've just been making bubbles.
I made a bubble, guys. Ameerah, will you take a look at this one?
Wow, that's a crazy bubble.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to make a bubble again too.
Mine's better.
Yeah, yours is so much better.
Yeah, it needs
No,
glitter.
I'm gonna put glitter on mine. No. Fine. No, my bubble.
Oh, I want to put some glitter on here.
Ta-da! Oh,
Look at how
bubble.
pretty.
I can't make a bubble anymore.
Look at this, Ameerah.
Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm trying to make another bubble. Ta-da! Alright, now I put some glitter on it. Some glitter on top. And voila! It is finished. Oh, it really is finished.
This is so pretty. Look at this. The glitter. I'm in love with the glitter. And the pink.
Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want to do a part 2. And that is it. Let me see you next time. Bye!